The TCS, or traction control system light, is a critical warning that indicates issues with your vehicle's ability to maintain traction on the road. A solid TCS light means the system is disabled due to a detected fault, while a flashing light indicates the system is actively working to control wheel slip. Understanding the most common causes can help you diagnose the problem effectively. Faulty wheel speed sensors account for 40% of TCS light issues, followed by damaged ABS rings at 25%, low brake fluid at 15%, corroded electrical connections at 10%, and ECU software issues at 5%. Now let's examine the key components and diagnostic steps you can perform. First, visually inspect your wheel speed sensors. Check for physical damage, debris buildup, and ensure proper electrical connections. These sensors should typically read between 1,000 and 1,400 ohms resistance. Next, examine the ABS tone rings for missing or damaged teeth, which can cause erratic sensor readings and trigger the TCS light. Check your brake fluid level, ensuring it's above the minimum line and free from contamination. Also, inspect all electrical connections for corrosion or damage, as these can cause intermittent TCS issues. Modern diagnostic tools make troubleshooting much more precise and efficient. Professional OBD scanners can retrieve specific error codes and monitor live sensor data. Modern wireless diagnostic tools work with smartphone apps, offering real-time monitoring and even AI-assisted diagnostics for newer vehicles with OBD3 compatibility. By understanding these diagnostic steps and utilizing modern tools, you can effectively identify the root cause of your TCS light and determine the appropriate next steps for repair. There are several methods to reset your TCS light, each with different success rates and complexity levels. The battery disconnect method involves disconnecting your car battery for 15 to 30 minutes. This clears the vehicle's memory, but only has a 30% success rate for TCS issues. Using an OBD scanner to clear codes and perform a system reset is much more effective, with a 70% success rate. This method directly communicates with your vehicle's computer systems. Modern diagnostic tools can display specific error codes and their status, helping identify whether issues are currently active or historical. Modern TCS systems are deeply integrated with electronic stability control, ABS, and advanced driver assistance systems. This integration means simple resets are often insufficient. Different manufacturers require specific reset procedures. German vehicles often need steering angle sensor calibration. Japanese vehicles may require brake pedal cycling, and American vehicles frequently need specific drive cycles. An ASE master technician has the expertise and equipment to perform comprehensive diagnostics, including live data analysis and proper system calibration. Professional diagnostic equipment can analyze wheel speed sensor waveforms in real time, identifying issues that basic code readers cannot detect. You should seek professional help if the TCS light persists after reset attempts, if ADAS systems shut down, or if you notice multiple warning lights or unsafe handling. Ignoring a persistent TCS light can result in expensive repairs, such as ABS pump damage costing over $1,200 or even complete brake system failure. Remember, while basic reset methods can resolve simple issues, modern TCS systems often require professional diagnosis for proper repair and calibration.